Yeah, guys, saltfish basil. As you can see, I'm cooking the saltfish the good way. Guys, you remember to like and subscribe to the video. Beautiful, guys. That's one hell of a steamed vegetables. Not too soft. Guys, that's the best. You see the saltfish start coming out, you know that steam shrink the cabbage, guys. So guys, you know the next thing is to have it all plated. As you can see, we have the dumpling and the banana, and now we have the saltfish. But the cabbage, not too soft, guys. You can see you still have the crunch. You see? Still have the crunch. And I could do more. Right here, guys. So it's a meatless night tonight. Alright, guys, that's the finished product. As you see, it's not too soft. You still have the crunch within inside of it, so stay tuned.